So I already started out with my eyebrows finished, and I did them, before I started recording, just because if you want to see anything on my eyebrows, you could probably click this video above somewhere, because I'll link one whenever I do them on camera. But I just use my Anastasia Dip Brow in Ash Brown. So next I'm going to move on to my Sue New York Replenishing Cucumber Mist, and this is just the nicest light spray to use all over your face. So now I'm going to prime my eyes with my Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer Potion. This is actually my first time using this. I've used it before, it's just this is my new one. I'm going to start off my eyeshadow in my Morphe palette. There are so many neutrals in this palette. I'll probably start off with this nude and then, bring this nude in with it. And I'm just going to take a fluffier brush and dab those two nudes together and then start them in my crease. And I'm just going to flick that out a little bit at the end of my eye because that's the shape I'm going with for the end of the tutorial. I just want my eyeshadow to kind of wing it at the end. Since I want to warm up the eye, I'm going to go in with this oranger shade, and I'm going to mix it with this deeper orange shade. So I'm going to follow that same crease with these shades. I think I'm going to use this maroonish brown. It's a deeper brown. And I'm going to take that right in my crease, to darken that up a lot. But I'm not covering that orange completely. I'm just going to ride underneath it. I'm going to take this deep brown, this shade right here. I just threw my palette by accident. Okay, well, it's all good. And then I'm going to apply this in the inner tear duct, I guess. I don't know what this is called, really. The inner corner of my eye, I'm going to use this in. I'm also going to use it on the outside of my eye, and that's going to give it like the halo illusion, that the inside is a little bit lighter than the outer two corners. So now I'm going to start to cut my crease in a way, I'm going to start my halo eye, so I'm going to take my Tarte Shape Tape, and this is in the lightest shade, I believe. Now the only hard part about this is getting your crease the exact same height as the other one, but I just work with it either way. Yeah, I'm going to take this flatter brush so I can get really up in my crease, and I'm going to switch to my Too Faced Chocolate Gold palette real quick, and I'm going to go in with the shade Gold Dipped, and this is going to be the highest point of my cut crease. And then I'm just going to blend that downwards and kind of mostly all over that concealer. Now for more towards the bottom of my eye, by my lashes, I'm going to take the shade Famous. I think this shade is just a deeper gold. And now that I'm already in my Too Faced palette, I'm just going to keep going with it, I think. And I think I'm going to take the shade Cocoa Truffle, mixed with just a little bit of Decadent, and that's going to go on my outer corners to finish off the halo eye and really give it that depth effect. Okay, and now for my lashes. That set actually applied super nicely. Wow. In one of my other videos on YouTube, I'm pretty sure I mentioned the fact that I ordered this 50 pack of lashes off of Amazon, and they come in all of these different sizes. They're a mess right now just because I've been through 1,000 of them, but here's another set that I've just folded or whatever, but they came with maybe 6 sheets of different lashes, and at first I'm I don't really like these. But they look really nice when you wear them naturally, just no other makeup or just face makeup. They are called natural lashes. I can link them below if you're interested. It's 50 lashes for $15, and it's a good deal. But I just wanted a little bit more, and this is one of the bolder sets, I would say, out of the 6-pack or however many come in there. And they just turned out really nice today. I let that glue get tacky on my lashes too. Try and do that if you ever have a hard time putting on lashes. And now I'm just going to let these dry for a minute. So now I'm going to fill in that line underneath my lashes, like right on my waterline up there. It makes such a difference when you do that, and I'm going to use my Urban Decay 24/7 Glide-On Pencil in the shade Perversion. These Urban Decay pencils are also my favorite. You can use them on eyes or lips or wherever your heart desires, but they're just so smooth and so creamy and easy to apply, especially for your waterline. And then recently, my mom and I have been looking for a mascara that does everything we want it to do. She wants lengthening rather than thickening. So she tried out this Kokie Professional Volume and Length mascara. This is what it looks like. I've been on my Benefit mascara for a really long time now. That's like my favorite. I'm gonna try it again today. And I have a Kokie matte lip, and it's one of my favorite matte lip materials. You know, like it has just the best texture to it. And I'm going to do it on top just a little bit to really fasten my lower lashes, like my real lashes, to the fake set.